हाँ तो ये जो पीरियड क्या पीरियड
Sigmund Freud.
सिगमंड फ्रॉइड
हाँ,
वो कभी 18th सेंचुरी का
20th century.
so what do I say Carl Jung 21st
Same
दोनों
century.
same ही century के
Carl Jung started off as Sigmund Freud's student.
okay and Sigmund Freud का गुरु कौन ऐसा 2 points था और ये
It doesn't matter, he was an evil person.
हम्म
वो उसने कहाँ से सीखा होगा, it doesn't matter. उसका goal ही है to screw up the subject of psychology, to screw up the reality for everybody. This psychology was going to be one of the most important parts, important subjects for us to understand the 21st century.
हाँ भाई
And he corrupted that subject, and now that's why people cannot unlock the realities of 21st century, because you are studying a corrupted subject, जो 21st century के हिसाब से बहुत important
शूटर है भाई
important क्या होना था,
भाई शूटर है
by shooter,
शूटर
कौन में shooter,
भाई शूटर
हाँ
ठीक
हाँ.
है कोई सी
So 21st century का बहुत ज़्यादा important ज्ञान था, ठीक है. Think of psychology as a Veda.
हाँ
It's a fucking Veda. Okay, what the fuck is Veda? Veda comes from Vidya. It's nothing but Vidya. Veda is Vidya. It's just a recorded theories of few rishis जिन्होंने ये discoveries को unlock किया. This civilization did that, and thankfully we still have our reality based on those things and not what Jews created. Thankfully we still have a religion based on our ancestors who wanted best for us and not worst for us. Our ancestors who loved their future generations, जो पैदा भी नहीं हुई, and for us they put that stuff into this reality. They recorded it. They unlocked the reality. They recorded the theories, and those sages, the rishis जिसको हम बोलते हैं, they kept it. And then जो culture आया, then there were military people who protected that fucking knowledge and did not let this civilization go आ रहा है. इस civilization को उन्होंने fuck नहीं होने दिया. उस civilization को उन्होंने psyop नहीं होने दिया by protecting this religion.
well yeah true
And that's why Sigmund Freud is the evil god of psychology of 20th century, and Carl Jung is the noble god of psychology of 20th century.
ऐसे कोई बुक्स है कार्ल यूंग के
God
बहुत
he's a genius. जितना material तुम उस इंसान से पढ़ोगे, he's a fucking god. Psychology का भगवान है, उसने जो discoveries करके रखी है इस दुनिया में, and जिस level पे it gives you understanding of how the fucking reality works, it's amazing. He's the most high IQ person of the 20th century.
बोल रहा हूँ yeah बिल्कुल
Died.
I forget
20th century. Normal. 21st century का god of psychology, in my opinion, is C.S. Joseph.
इधर
Me.
just
C.S. Joseph. Yep.
जिसने MBTI
जिसने analytical psychology को उसने बना के रखा है. देखिए now technically you like C.S. Joseph कौन है? Nobody fucking knows it. That's the point.
लोग क्या कर रहे हैं
He does not have that many viewers. क्योंकि majority of people comment that reality has not unlocked to us, right? People are not ready to accept that. People are क्योंकि Sigmund Freud के तुम school of psychology से आ रहे हो, वहाँ से सीख के आ रहे हो, दुनिया में Sigmund Freud psychology dominate करती है, and this school of psychology actually thinks that जो कार्ल ने discoveries की वो important नहीं थी, या जो MBTI है उसको बदनाम करके रखा है. This Sigmund Freud of psychology ने बोला. And why the fuck we the students of Carl Jung should even give a crap about these people जिनकी खुद की psychology ज़्यादा फंड है, जो literally एक corrupted version of psychology for them, because this was a fucking Jew who wanted to just corrupt psychology. बहुत सारी कार्ल युंग इतना incest, उसको लगता था कि हर चीज सेक्स से जुड़ी है.
मेरे को बता पहले
like you are sexually fucking repressed. Everything. And बहुत सारी का Oedipus complex था उसको, इसकी मालिक चू. Literally like this nigga जिसको लगता है कि उसको खुद को Oedipus complex है भोसड़ी वाले को, क्योंकि पता नहीं Jews कैसा रिलीजन, भोसड़ी कैसे लोग हैं. हाँ उनको सब पे प्रोजेक्ट करो, नहीं सबको ऐसा Oedipus complex सब पे. तेरी माँ की चुट्टी चुप बढ़ लग रही. It doesn't exist in our culture.
True.
बट उसको एंड दिस पीपल जो सिगमंड फ्रॉइड को पढ़ने को ऐसा है कि वाह